So with my new Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, I am taking care of the little things that add up to a lot. So in getting this car reliable and really nice to be a driver for me, I'm tackling the little jobs. And today's job is replacing the broken lanyard on the gas cap. So I just figured I'd just buy a whole new gas cap, get it in there. Apparently with the flex fuel, you have to pick up the yellow gas cap because it's for E85 and gasoline. It's a bit of a warning thing. And I was afraid of losing my cap because the lanyard that connects it to the car was broken. And one day I filled up and I took a long drive, and during the drive it was in my head that I had left the cap sitting on the trunk lid and it was bothering me. So I immediately ordered this new one, genuine Ford Motorcraft part for Amazon, and there's a link in the description. So this is the FC1074 and it fit right on. And the only reason I'm changing this is because I don't want to lose the cap, and it's not because of any codes. So I'm keeping the old one just in case, because it seemed to be working for the last 3 weeks that I had the car. So basically you need a 10mm nut. You take it off. You got to be careful that the nut doesn't fall in the gas tank. That's not ideal. And you just carefully put it back on, tighten it up. Don't have to go crazy, tighten it up. And you pretty much are done installing it. So this is a little update video. May not mean much to many, but you'll see the part number, and some people might not realize that the yellow cap is a good thing to have if you're into that E85 and that gasoline thing. I'm not into it. I put regular gas. So that's my story. And there's lots of little videos like this coming up. I'm going to get my Crown Victoria straight and reliable. So like and subscribe, check out the videos, and thanks for watching.